Hi dear children, welcome back to our social science class. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, what we studied in the previous class? Yes, we studied about continents. Which are the continents on the earth? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Now we are going to discuss about oceans. What are called oceans? Oceans are vast water bodies. You all know major portions of the earth's surface is water. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Can you say the name of oceans? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean and the Arctic Ocean are the 5 major oceans on the earth. Oceans are interconnected. These interconnected oceans are together known as World Ocean. Among them, today we will discuss about Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It has the largest number of islands. The Challenger Deep in the Pacific Ocean is the world's deepest point. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest fishing ground and is rich in minerals. Children, do you know which are the continents bordering the Pacific Ocean? Asia, North America, South America and Australia are the continents bordering the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, along with its associated seas, covers 1/3 of the Earth's total area. It is more than the total size of all the continents put together. These are the features of Pacific Ocean. Next is the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. The Grand Banks, which is an important fishing ground, is in this ocean. The northern part of this ocean is the world's busiest ocean route. North America, South America, Europe and Africa are the continents bordering the Atlantic Ocean. Next is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean stands third in size. This ocean has the distinction of being an ocean named after a country. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are parts of the Indian Ocean. Africa, Asia, Australia are the continents bordering the Indian Ocean. The coral reefs are an important feature of the Indian Ocean. Corals are formed by the accumulation of calcium compounds secreted by tiny marine organisms called coral polyps found in tropical oceans. Lakshadweep Islands are formed of these accumulated coral polyps. Do you understand? Let's summarize today's topic. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Challenger Deep in the Pacific Ocean is the world's deepest point. Asia, Australia, North America and South America are the continents bordering the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. The Grand Banks, which is an important fishing ground, is in this ocean. North America, South America, Europe and Africa are the continents bordering the Atlantic Ocean. Indian Ocean stands third in size. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are parts of the Indian Ocean. The coral reefs are an important feature of the Indian Ocean. Africa, Asia and Australia are the continents bordering the Indian Ocean. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.